Greetings from the sustainable and opulent travel of the future. Presenting the BYD Motorhome 2026. A groundbreaking innovation that blends the superior comfort of a motorhome with BYD's know-how in electric vehicle technology. The design is gorgeous from the exterior, including futuristic LED lighting, a sleek contemporary profile, and smooth aerodynamic lines that showcase BYD's dedication to innovation. With integrated solar panels on the roof for optimal energy efficiency, the motorhome embodies the ocean aesthetics design concept, which was influenced by BYD's most recent passenger cars. It is stylish but practical. Beneath this gorgeous bodywork is a cutting-edge all-electric drivetrain that makes use of BYD's most recent Blade battery technology, which is known for its dependability and safety. You may travel great distances without emitting any pollutants because of the enormous immediate power and torque that dual electric motors provide. They also provide smooth acceleration and an amazing range. A dashboard that embraces the idea of a digital cockpit greets you as soon as you enter. A digital instrument panel shows crucial driving information in clear visuals, and a large, user-friendly touchscreen controls all entertainment, navigation, and motorhome operations. A contemporary and environmentally friendly ambience is produced by combining soft touch, sustainable materials with accents of light wood or metal. The interior's main concept is modular and adaptable, making the most of every available square inch. With its high-quality upholstery and swivel and foldable features, the couches and chairs make it simple to convert the living room into a dining room or even an additional bed. LED ambient lighting that can be adjusted adds a luxurious touch and produces several mood-appropriate ambiances. There is a peaceful haven in the back bedroom. It has panoramic windows to enjoy the natural views, a queen or king-size bed with a cozy memory foam mattress, and clever storage. Your personal comfort and amusement are enhanced by a flat-screen TV and an integrated audio system. The bathroom's design aims to be both opulent and functional. A contemporary toilet with a water-saving flush mechanism, a stylish wash basin with a lit mirror, and a shower with strong water pressure. Maximum comfort is ensured by superior waterproof materials and efficient breathability. A culinary adventurer's paradise is the kitchen, featuring a double sink, convection microwave oven, huge refrigerator with freezer, and induction cooktop, all of which are flawlessly integrated. You can prepare delectable meals wherever you go thanks to high-quality surfaces and ample storage for tools and supplies. The BYD Motorhome 2026 is a mobile luxury house that is fueled by pure electric power and BYD's unwavering innovation. It is more than simply a car. It is a platform for endless adventure. Prepare yourself for a unique travel experience.